What's going on YouTube? It's cold outside, so I'm just going to do this in here real quick. This is my truckified Typhon. It's got crate and hubs and knuckles on it. Hot racing covers in here. GPM shock towers. I put a center brace on my Typhon, guys. Got tired of bending chassis. It helped a little bit. Still bend them every now and then. I'm running the Pro lines on it this time. See how they hold up. It's got a Traxxas 8S ESC in it. Spectrum 2050 kV motor. M2C center braces. Yeah. 3D RC wing mount. GPM here too. And yeah. Let's go rip it. See what happens. Nose bombed it. Oh, lost power. Perfect. No power, right dog? Look at that mess, man. Right dog crap. Are you kidding me? Go on, dude. That upsets me right there. Clean up after your dogs, man. What the hell? Amazing driving skills. Look at that, y'all. You see that? That's my bumper in the ground. That is in the ground. It won't snap right off. Hopefully we can drive it still. Well, that'd be the answer to that question. That is a Team Losi. That's a TRL or TLR tuned link snapped right there, y'all. But that's gonna do it. Snap the front off of it and snap the link. These tires are trash. I'm gonna get some new tires for this thing so we can really send it. I couldn't get a run up at all on it, y'all. So I'm gonna get her dialed in. We'll get back out here. Till next time, y'all. Peace out. If you ain't doing something you love, doing something wrong. Cause man, this gets me back to where I need to be in my head, yo. So appreciate y'all. If you ain't done it, like, comment, subscribe, please. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. Don't cost you a thing. Helps me out. Channel's growing. We got a huge giveaway coming at 1,500. I'm gonna make the video about it. I got a lot of people involved in this one, y'all. Stay tuned.